Dog curls are easy to draw. We'll start with a fan. Draw a triangle from 1/3 of the sector. The short side of the fan is where the ears are. Then draw the position of the neck and collar. Start writing at 1/3 below the fan-shaped long arc line. Draw the mouth shape. The early stage chest draft of our dog roll level is done. Now let's add some details. First, draw the shape of the nose and lips, teeth and tongue, lower lip and chin. Draw the brow arch up the bridge of the nose. Draw the eyebrows at the raised arch of the eyebrow. Draw the eyes under the eyebrows. The pupil is oblate. Note that the lower eyelids are too different. It's the arc of the direction. Connect the bridge of the nose along the auxiliary line. Then draw the hair along the auxiliary line. And your details. Take out the collar, by the way. Add facial details. Finally, draw the overall shadow. Okay, our dog roll collection is finished. All bosses have learned. Please post your drawings in the comment area, so let's have a look. Subscribe.